Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ustir President jog BJP Meghalaya State Unit, Uba Ernest Mauri, Hakakat Kandai Teri Ukalalingkot Arja Afulai. Ulo ong bagi jala Meghalaya, kalong kebadan bok, penyo yok Sorkar Enjin, Khnang bagi Paidbah nong song jong ke jala, kindob yok hambun ke jing Myntoi, naga Sorkar jala, bat naga Sorkar pedeng. Habakan tho ya ke jing keren jong ke klik nang yalam ke Trinamool Congress, ke Mamata Banerjee. Uba Mauri ulo ong ru bagi Paidbah ke jala Meghalaya, ki kham yok abun ke jing Myntoi, namar bagi BJP ke terilang, bat ke Sorkar ha Meghalaya. Bat ka bat ru yo lakam senchar ha Delhi. Ndai omkum ha West Bengal. Ki Paidbah kimi o jing Myntoi AA hapo ka jing senchar jong ka Trinamool Congress.
Another resolution, that is NDC statement on Garib Kalyan, an article of faith for double engine NDA government. I think we are very specific on this Garib Kalyan Yojana, because our NDA government, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, we have provided a free ration till 12 December. And on top of free ration, we have given also the 3 rupees rice. So that also, you know, it is very popular in Meghalaya. If you go to even to the remote areas also, people they know about Kwah. So this is the thing. On the 17th, we have the statement on the SG20 presidency. As you know, our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, now he is the president of G20. And we are going to organize this G20 in all the states. Especially in his speech, at large he has given the statement that he wants even to organize in the Northeast state, including the Meghalaya. So, in that, we have passed the resolution also on the socio-economic resolution. So, in this resolution, a paradigm shift from entitlement to empowerment of the poor under the Modi government. So, this resolution also we have adopted. 19 challenge, economic rebound, Azadi ke Amrit Mahotsav, cultural revival, justice to all, discrimination to none, GST, reduction in price of heart stent and others implant, affordable and quotable medicine through Jan Ashandi Kendra, air travel become accessible to the middle class, approval of loan under the Mudra scheme, then the pension, one rank, one man pension, that is for the army, incentive for the housing loan, Pradhan Mantri Badhya Bandhana Yojana, senior citizenship welfare fund, life certificate are now online, not like before, now it's all online, support to farmer, national education policy, which is already adopted, then creating a conducive ecosystem for businessmen, for business, infrastructure, digital India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. I think the people of our state, they will be the best judge. Now we are coming for election, then they will show their thing. We want that double engine government. It means that if we have a government in Meghalaya, BJP and Delhi, then it will benefit for the people of our state. Not like it's West Bengal. West Bengal, you go and see what is happening in West Bengal. They have failed totally. No development in West Bengal. And now we have already discussed that our party from day by day they are getting the strain, and we are going to prepare because there will be a Panchayat election. So you just see in that BJP will win all the seats.